Alright, so in this video we are going to talk about matrix addition and subtraction. Alright, so here's the very first rule. All the dimensions of whatever matrices you're trying to add or subtract have to be equivalent. Okay? Then you just add each individual piece together to the piece that matches it in the other matrix. Okay? It's kind of like if you have two matrices, you stack them in front of each other and just squish them. Okay? So like here, we have two matrices, matrix A and matrix D. They're both 3 by 2, right? So they both have the same dimensions. This one has Greek letters. This one has our alphabet letters. And so let's look at what happens when you add or subtract. Remember, subtraction is just negative addition. So it's totally fine, and that's why I have plus or minus in all of these, because it's just saying like it works either way, right? So you take your two matrices, and green's the first column of matrix A, yellow's the first column of matrix B. And in our result, we just add those first two columns together. So green plus yellow. And then what's the second columns, right? Red and blue. And so you add those together. And your resulting matrix is a 3 by 2. And we'll look at an example of this in a minute, okay? This works the same way for vectors, right? If it's just a single vector, they have to be the same dimension, and you just stack them on top of each other just like this. All right? So here are the vectors, right? You have a vector B, n by 1, and C, n by 1. Again, look, they're both column vectors. So what if you add or subtract them? Well, you just take each individual piece and you put them together, right? So B1 and C1 become B1 plus or minus C1, right? B2 plus or minus C2, all the way down, and you still have an n by 1 matrix. The dimension does not change when you do addition or subtraction, all right? So let's look at when we do with matrices, right? Matrix addition. You have this A and B. And we want to find matrix C, which is them added together, right? So we take them and we just combine the components, right? 3 plus 4, 2 plus 6, 5 plus 2, 9 plus 4, 4 plus 1, 11 plus 8, right? And that gets you to your final matrix, right? So C is 7, 8, 7, 13, 5, 19. There you go. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Let's look at vector subtraction now. All right, so vector U is 6, 2, 5, 3. Vector V is 3, 7, negative 2, and 3. Right? So we do U minus V, and you just do the left one minus the right one. Right? 6 minus 3, 2 minus 7, 5 minus negative 2. Be careful, regular math still applies. And then 3 minus 3. So 3, negative 5. 5 minus negative 2 is 5 plus 2. So it's 7. 3 minus 3 is 0. So your resulting vector, W, is 3, negative 5, 7, 0. There you go. That's all you need to know about matrix and vector addition and subtraction. Hopefully that was pretty straightforward for you. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.